Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss about the uh, role of physiotherapist in the society. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the topic and the subject we are going to study. This is actually a project-based subject in which you are going to see that how you are going to deal the patient, what are the different roles a physiotherapist play in the society and in the society to rehabilitate the patient, to help the patient to. Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss about the uh, role of physiotherapist in the society. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the topic and the subject we are going to study. This is actually a project-based subject in which you are going to see that how you are going to deal the patient, what are the different roles a physiotherapist play in the society and in the society to rehabilitate the patient, to help the patient to improve their health problems like pain or spasm or other different types of things which a physiotherapist can help in the people or in the society to make the people to live a better and a fitter life in a healthy way. So basically in this unit or in this lecture we are going to see that how physiotherapist is important and what important and significant role he plays in the society, and he shows that how much he is capable enough to help the society to develop a better and a fitter individual among the community, to promote the health benefits, to promote the healthy lifestyle. All these are the different roles of physiotherapist. Physiotherapist can be a practitioner, he can be a practitioner or clinician, he can be associated with any kind of the hospital for his services, health services. He also can be a part of NGOs, different NGOs, then rehabilitation centers. Other than that, a physiotherapist can also be involved in different kinds of activities, such as he can be associated with the sports team. Like you can see, the sport physiotherapists are being associated with different sports teams like wrestling team, cricket team. Every individual team or every individual player has its own physiotherapist who take care of his health and his performance. Physiotherapist, in particularly if we talk about sports, they are concerned with the performance of the player, they are concerned with the enhancement of the health and performance, that how a player can develop his muscles strength and can play well in the field. And if we talk about the hospitals, so physiotherapists are also be a part of hospitals. They can play a very vital role in helping the patient and in the patient's treatment. Like if you talk about the cardiopulmonary physiotherapists, they play a very vital and important role in the ICUs. They're going to help the patients to rehabilitate or recover from their conditions or their operations, like cardiac rehabilitation and pulmonary rehabilitations. So also physiotherapist can be a part of hospital or the institution. And another thing is they can be a practitioner. They can practice individually, they have the right to practice individually, so they can have their clinics, they can have their clinical visits, or they can have their private visits. Like the people who are not able to come to the clinic for the regular checkup, they can come to the patients, they can come to the hospital direct, and the physiotherapist can go to the to go to the patient directly to give them the treatment. So this is also one of the benefit for those who are not able to come to the consultation. Then physiotherapist could be associated with the NGOs, and they are also could be associated with the rehabilitation centers and different teams. So as you can see, the physiotherapists have different roles. So let us discuss one by one that what role do they play and what are the important roles they play in the health sector. So first of all, we will discuss about the OPDs, outpatient treatment. OPDs. What do physiotherapists do in the OPDs? You must be aware of the OPDs when you go to the hospital. There are two parts, IPD and OPD. IPD is that place where the patient are being admitted for their treatment, and OPD is that part where the patient go for the consultation. Uh, so physiotherapists provide outpatient services and OPD services. They provide to all ages of the people in their local community health centers or the CGHS centers or the rural hospitals according to the conditions. So conditions which a physiotherapist can treat are most commonly orthopedic conditions, then acute and chronic orthopedic conditions, respiratory conditions, then antenatal and postnatal cares, then neurological conditions, then they can use different types of modalities to treat the patient, like TENS, or for the chest physiotherapy or the congestion or pneumonia patient they can use nebulizers, and for the neurological patient to make them coordinated and improve their coordination we can use coordination exercises or the gait aids. So all these things could be used by the physiotherapist in the OPDs. So another thing is domiciliary visit. As I said, domiciliary visit is the physiotherapist can provide home visit to those who are not able to come to the hospital directly because of their illness or because of their extremes of the ages. So physiotherapist can provide home visits, and they can the service could be available to those only who are not able to come and they are severely ill, like paralysis patient or extremes of ages patient. So what happened? The physiotherapist go to the patient door to door, and then he assess the patient. He will start his treatment, attend his attendants, make the attendants very clear that what is the treatment. Then, for example, if a very fragile aged patient is there and he is having acute conditions and he has the transport difficulties, so in that case, a physiotherapist can go to the patient and can provide the home visits. So the home visit can also be helpful in managing the respiratory conditions that would otherwise requires the hospitalization if it's not being controlled at home treatment. Like some of the patients have pneumonia or COPD patients who are very easily get distressed, and if their home conditions are maintained, their oxygen saturation will maintain, they can get the treatment at home only. But if their condition becomes worse, then they can be admitted to the hospital as soon as possible according to the condition. Then also they can provide assessment and ongoing management of the surgical or the medical conditions after the discharge from the hospital. So all these things could be done by the physiotherapist. It is also one of the important role of physiotherapist that this is domiciliary visit. Okay, a physiotherapist is a working member with the community-based rehabilitation team also, or the other agencies or institutions. He can provide the assessment and treatment for the other conditions like incontinence and the pelvic floor dysfunction. In this condition, you will going to understand later on a study about the stress incontinence condition in which the patient is not able to hold the urine because of the weakness of the pelvic floor muscles. So for this, there is a treatment can be done with the help of the IFT machine, interferential current therapy, and this is helpful in this condition. Also, physiotherapist can be a consultant in a sub program and can provide education regarding the stress incontinence condition. So all this could be done by the physiotherapist at the community or the local levels. Physiotherapist in a local community can be a health provider, and he is a very important part of the health sector. Pre and postnatal exercises also can be trained by the physiotherapist, so that after delivery the effect of the gestation or effect of the delivery could not be disturb the normalcy of the pregnant lady. Then there could be hydrotherapy classes, there could be senior citizens classes, there could be group exercises, one of the method by which the group extremes of ages people who are having similar kind of disease could be doing the exercise in a group, and this could be beneficial for them. Then manual handling and education training, health promotion and health education also are, these are all the parts of the physiotherapist, and these are all the important roles of physiotherapist can perform in the society. So let us discuss why there is a need of physiotherapist. Why do we need a physiotherapist? Because physiotherapist is a degree-based education or degree-based profession. It is a bachelor's and a master's and a PhD course. So physiotherapist can use their knowledge and skills to improvise the condition of the patient or to improvise the condition associated with different systems of the body, such as neurological conditions, in which we can include stroke, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and other kind of disease that can cause neurological deficit in a patient. Then neuromuscular skeletal back pain condition, whiplash injury, sports injury, or the arthritis, which is most of the common thing or problem the patient suffers from. Then cardiac or cardiovascular things, problems are stroke, chronic heart diseases, rehabilitation after heart attack or the MI. Then respiratory conditions like asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, cystic fibrosis. All these are the conditions in which we need a physiotherapist for the rehabilitation purpose. So this is the requirement and importance of the physiotherapist, that we need a physiotherapist for a better healthy society. Community physiotherapy. What do you understand by the community physiotherapy? The term community physiotherapy means physiotherapists are specialized enough to provide the services to a particular area, to a particular level. So the community which is going to be affected or which is going to be benefited with the physiotherapy. So this term community physiotherapy comes in a role. So what happens is at the community level, when the physiotherapy services are being provided along with the CBR or in collaboration with the CBR, this will be called as community physiotherapy. So in community physiotherapy, the physiotherapist team and the assistants, they are highly specialized, and they uh, targeted all the ages from the neonates to the children's to the geriatrics or the to adult, different community or different conditions they targeted, and they provide physiotherapy to adults above 18 years, and they can provide door-to-door services to them along with the collaboration with the community-based rehabilitation team. So they can provide them by their education, by educating them, by advising them, by providing mobility to them, then rehabilitation to improve the independence, and the following discharge. Follow-up after the discharge will be done by the physiotherapist. So this is also one of the important thing which a physiotherapist can do. So what a physiotherapist? A physiotherapist is a health professional. It is a health professional degree program, physiotherapy. Bachelor of physiotherapy is there, and then masters, and then PhD also are there. So physiotherapists basically are the therapists which deal with the patients to treat them, to rehabilitate them, for providing them a better and a healthier life. The need of physiotherapist is we need a physiotherapist in different conditions like orthopedic conditions, acute or chronic orthopedic conditions, then sports conditions, cardiopulmonary conditions, and there are many more different needs for the physiotherapist. Role of physiotherapist, as I have already told you, that the physiotherapist can be practice independently. He can do a clinical practice also. He can associated with the hospital. He can be associated with the NGOs. He can do a lot of roles. He could be associated with the rehabilitation centers. He can be associated with the training centers. Then he can also be associated with the sports team, like cricket team, wrestling team. Every team has its own physiotherapist. So this is all about the role of physiotherapist in the society. So what all we have discussed in this lecture is about the physiotherapist and its role and its need. So what a physiotherapist? A physiotherapist is a health professional. It is a health professional degree program, physiotherapy. Bachelor of physiotherapy is there, and then masters, and then PhD also are there. So physiotherapists basically are the therapists which deal with the patients to treat them, to rehabilitate them, for providing them a better and a healthier life. The need of physiotherapist is we need a physiotherapist in different conditions like orthopedic conditions, acute or chronic orthopedic conditions, then sports conditions, cardiopulmonary conditions, and there are many more different needs for the physiotherapist.